Most drivers think oil changes are the golden ticket to engine longevity, but that's only part of the story. Hidden killers like acidic coolant, clogged PCV valves, and neglected gear oil quietly destroy engines from the inside. These issues are why so many engines fail before 200,000 miles. Today, I'm revealing the 10 most neglected service points in your car. Take care of these and you could double your engine's life. We're going deeper than any oil change ever could. Grab your notepad. Let's get started. Gap 1s. Think your coolant is maintenance-free? Think again. Lifetime coolant is a myth. Over time, it turns acidic and eats away at your engine. Use a pH tester. Healthy coolant should read between 8 and 10. Drop below that, and you're risking major internal corrosion. Flush your coolant every 3 to 5 years, no matter what the label says. Don't wait for hidden damage to surface. Keep your coolant fresh and your engine protected. The PCV valve controls engine pressure, but when it clogs, you get oil leaks and blown seals. Engines have been ruined by this $10 part. Check yours. Remove and shake it. No rattle means it's clogged. Replace every 30 to 50,000 miles. It's a 5-minute fix that can save you thousands. Don't let a simple part take down your engine. Vacuum leaks are silent engine killers. Even tiny cracks in hoses let in unmetered air, causing rough idle and overheating. Use a smoke test to spot leaks you can't see. Fixing them restores smooth idle and fuel economy. Don't let invisible leaks sabotage your engine's life. Carbon buildup on intake valves robs your engine of power, especially in direct injection engines. You'll notice sluggish acceleration and poor fuel economy. Use an intake cleaner every 15,000 miles, or get a walnut blast every 60,000. Keeping valves clean means better performance and fewer repairs. Don't let carbon steal your horsepower. Stay ahead with regular cleaning. Most drivers never change their differential or gear oil, letting metal particles grind away at gears. Change these fluids every 60 to 100,000 miles. It's messy, but far cheaper than replacing a differential. Neglect leads to premature drivetrain failure. Don't forget these hidden fluids if you want your car to last. Oxygen sensors get lazy before they fail, sending weak signals and making your engine run rich. That means more fuel burned and a fried catalytic converter. Replace O2 sensors every 100,000 miles, even if the check engine light isn't on. You'll keep your engine and cat converter healthy. Don't let a cheap sensor destroy expensive parts. Prevention here pays off big. A dirty mass airflow sensor throws off your air-fuel mix, hurting power and mileage. Cleaning it is easy. Unplug, spray with MAF cleaner, let dry. Never touch the wire. Do this every 15,000 miles, especially in dusty areas. A clean MAF sensor means better throttle response and fuel savings. 5 minutes of work, big results. The harmonic balancer absorbs crankshaft vibrations. If its rubber cracks, your engine shakes itself apart. Check for cracked or bulging rubber every oil change. Replace at the first sign of wear. Ignoring this can turn a cheap fix into a costly rebuild. Don't let a little rubber ring destroy your engine. Worn engine mounts cause vibrations that damage hoses, wires, and brackets. If your car shakes or clunks, inspect your mounts for sagging or leaks. Replace at the first sign of trouble. Smooth mounts protect your car's frame and electronics. Don't ignore the silent shakers under your hood. Belts and tensioners keep your engine accessories running, but rubber wears out. Inspect for cracks, fraying, or glazing every year. Replace anything worn. Don't risk a roadside breakdown. A failed belt can cause instant overheating and engine shutdown. A small investment here prevents massive repairs. Stay ahead and keep your engine spinning. Ignore these hidden killers, and your engine won't last. Most engine failures are slow and preventable. Follow these tips, and 200,000 miles is easy, maybe even 300,000. These are the real secrets mechanics use for long-lasting engines. Subscribe to Car Fix School for more real-world fixes. Like, comment, and keep your car running strong for the long haul.